Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Thermaltake Reactor 9880S gaming desktop, a high-performance rig built for serious gamers and creators. Right away, the design stands out. The unique geometric white chassis with tempered glass panels gives it a futuristic presence, while the ventilated layout helps maximize airflow during long gaming sessions. Inside, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, delivering incredible speed for gaming, streaming, and heavy multitasking. Paired with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory, everything feels instant, from launching demanding apps to rendering large creative projects. For graphics, you're getting the RTX 5080, capable of handling modern AAA titles at high resolutions with ray tracing and smooth frame rates. Visuals are sharp, detailed, and incredibly fluid, even in fast-paced scenes. Storage is handled by a 2TB NVMe SSD, so boot times are quick and load screens are minimal. A 360mm liquid cooling system keeps temperatures under control while maintaining quiet operation. Overall, the Thermaltake Reactor 9880S combines bold design, powerful hardware, and efficient cooling into one premium gaming machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.